some water over here.
So you get your shit, I'll get my 500. Oh, wow.
Yeah.
You had to?
It's a 360 camera.
Oh,
Yeah, I'm just videoing everything. Knox was exploring Myrtle Beach.
yeah, they interested last night, man.
I missed a lot of the fucking interesting parts. I come up on them when they were hauling them off and stuff, but
Yeah, that's probably not bad.
yeah, you chop it up for multiple purposes. So. Here, come on, look, the water is right over here.
The water's over there.
Don't give up quite yet. No, we already been in there once.
We've been watching the videos then.
360 walk with me on YouTube. Yeah, I don't have the dog on there yet, but he'll be on there next week. Here, have some water. Hey, I appreciate y'all's dog water out here. What's the name of this place?
Easy Eats.
Easy Eats, right on the strip in Myrtle Beach. Alright, appreciate you. Want some more? Alright, I'm not licking up stuff out of the cracks of the sidewall.
Depending on what he pays. If he pays 10, it'll be the $100 store credit. If he pays 20, it'll be the $100 bill.
I want to do that. Y'all got 10 bill?
Y'all got Apple Pay or anything? Okay, so you're doing a 10 and a 10. Alright, but y'all look out first, man.
$100 store credit, it's over with.
Hi, handsome man.
I've had him see you.
Hi, buddy. You handsome.
Good Knox.
Hi, handsome man. How you doing? We're spending the day at the beach.
Happy
You're beautiful.
Happy Papa.
Yeah, you're taking care of too. Look at that fat belly.
You can't stay away from the food.
Look at that fat belly. He's like, I smell all kinds of treats on the ground over here.
He's had a day, man.
Ice cream, lollipop.
Yeah, let's go find your mom.
Yeah, well, I just think.
Está perro. Está perro. Ahí le este cable.
Come on, buddy. Excuse me.
Sorry.
What's happening? All right, how you doing? Oh, not in the table. All right, you can't go back there. Sorry.
Snuggle.
Oh yeah.
Let's actually bring some water.
Man, yeah. It says they'll have some of yours too.
Some of this one too, bud?
Man, 2 different ones.
What's up? They're always
There's a cafe out on the street that has a big dog bowl of water out there. He had some. He's had some of that, and he's had both of them. All right, come on, let's let these people eat.
Aw.
Tell them thank you for the water.
So sweet.
Thank you. Hey, look, your mommy's over there. Let's go that way. Come on. Hey, let's go see your mom. She's over here. Come on.
Hey, buddy.